Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add black and white effect in Camtasia. So first you have to drag and drop this file to the timeline. Now you have to go to this visual effects. You can see here, right? Click on visual effects. If you can't find the visual effects here, you have to click on more. Then you must find this here. Click on visual effects and scroll down and you'll find here this option outline edges. Just drag and drop to this video and you can see it is now black and white. If you want to change the color or intensity or opacity distributor, you can change it by the mouse. If you choose the mouse to make it lower or higher, that's up to you. And if you want to change the density, you can do this too. Okay, so here's the scale, and if you change the opacity, you can do this too, the opacity. And now I'm choosing this intensity here. You can change as per your need from this settings. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.